Hello, my name is Andreas Textor, and in this video I want to give you a short overview of the Xturtle RDF editor. Xturtle is a plugin for the Eclipse IDE and has some very nice features for editing the turtle syntax of RDF. To get started, we will create a new Xturtle project, which you can find in the Xtext category. We give it a name and then press Finish. For every new project you create, Xturtle creates an example.ttl with some prefixes and comments for you, but we will delete everything and start from scratch. First of all, let's type head and then press Ctrl and space to toggle the Eclipse autocompletion. This will give us the option to insert a template called head, a common ontology header in this case. Press enter and now you have the possibility to edit fields inside the template. You can just type the content of our fields and use tab to jump from one field to another. When you're finished, just press enter and you're done with your header. As you can see now, we have a couple of errors in our file because the URIs cannot be resolved. To fix this problem, we just use the quick fix beside the prefix. Click on the light bulb and then select Add Project Reference to xturtle.core. Now when we save the file, the prefix can be resolved. We do the same thing for the DC terms prefix, which refers to the Dublin core terms, and add the project reference to xturtle.dc. Save again, and now all the errors are gone. We will now more entities to our ontology. Let's start with the class. Let's type class and press Ctrl and space. Give the class a name and a description and press enter. The template doesn't know about our prefix, so we add that manually. Let's continue with the data property with a dprop template. And save. Now we have an error in our file that the RDF prefix is not defined. The easy way to fix this is to add the prefix via the prefix template. The nice thing is, now that I'm editing the namespace part of the template, I can just press Ctrl space again and it fills in the correct URI automatically. Now if we wanted to add more people to our ontology, we could add instances manually, but I will show you a feature that makes this much easier. Select Window Preferences and then under Xturtle the template section, and that is where we can define our own templates. We have already seen the class template and the dprop template and also the head template. Now let's add a template on our own. We press New and give the template a name. Let's call it a person. And then we add the template code that is to be inserted when we trigger the autocomplete. Variables are added in braces. And everything else is valid turtle code that you could also otherwise write down manually. Let's press OK and OK. And now we can enter person and press Ctrl space. And our template gets inserted and we can create our individuals very easily. We could repeat this with more individuals as we see fit. Now for the next feature, if you press Ctrl, Shift and F3, you get the model search for the Xturtle editor. For example, to search for a person, we just enter person and it gives us all matching model entities in the whole workspace. Our example person is right here in the middle. If I select it, it jumps right to the definition of it. I can also repeat this, of course, with any other model element that we have added. To navigate the model, you also can always use your familiar Eclipse navigation features, such as pressing F3 when your cursor is on a definition, or holding Control and then select the link that you choose to. For example, to see the definition of the RDF as label, I just select the first link and it opens up the definition in RDF as .ttl. And that works with all the other elements as well.